It's just a scratch on the surface what this could be. It is the meeting between two extremes in a way, because ROG is cyberpunk and we are home furnishing.